These are assembly instructions for the PetShield 2702 travel barrier. Thanks so much for choosing the PetShield 2702. First, take your contents out of the box and lay them out on a flat surface. Use your instruction sheet to determine that you have all the components necessary. Insert the white support feet onto the ends of the support foot inserts. Insert the bottom upright support tubes into the hoop assemblies. Thread all 4 screws through the thin wall portion of the 4 plastic vertical brackets and tighten. Slide the support foot inserts into the bottom upright tubes. Then, tighten the knobs at the bottom of the support foot inserts to secure. Insert the top ends of the tubes onto the rubber grip feet, and you are ready to install your barrier. To install your barrier, center it in the cargo area of the vehicle. Adjust the height of your hoop assemblies as necessary and tighten the screws to secure it into place. Adjust the width of your hoop assemblies to fit your vehicle's width. Secure the tighteners on the hoop assembly and your barrier is ready to go. Again, thanks so much for choosing the PetShield 2702 pet barrier. If you have any questions, please call GMI and let us know.